beauties, what's up and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to look at some more sneak peeks and I think y'all are going to be so impressed with this sneak peek could possibly be. Of course, it's not confirmed. It's just something Joe put out there. And I've been working with another subscriber, Miss Southern Mom, and we've been working on this, and I just want to let y'all know what we think is out there. But before I begin, I just want to let y'all know, in case you don't know what Boxycharm is, it's a monthly subscription box that'll cost you $21. You'll get 4 to 5 full-size beauty products based on your beauty profile. And this box will be valued at least $100. Once you're a charmer, you'll have perks like Boxy Lux, limited edition boxes like our limited edition skincare box that we just got a few months ago, and also Boxy Pop-Up. This is a new program at Boxycharm. It hasn't been released yet. We have several sneak peeks of what's going to be in the Boxy Pop-Up. I'll link that video up above. In the Boxy Pop-Up shop, you'll get heavily discounted high-end products, anywhere from makeup, skincare, lifestyle products, makeup tools, that are up to 70% off. So don't miss out right now. If you join Boxycharm, you can get a free Kylie Cosmetics anti-fatigue under eye primer. This is valued at $32. This is only for the month of June, and this is only while supplies last, so don't wait any longer. You're going to miss out on that product. So let's take a look at these new sneak peeks. This first clip is from Sol de Janeiro. I showed y'all a clip yesterday of a group that was in the office, and he just mentioned them as Sol, and I thought they were Touch and Soul, but I was wrong. It seems they were Sol de Janeiro. But I know we do deal with Touch and Soul. He was there not that long ago at their offices. Let me show you the box of products that was sent by Sol de Janeiro.
All right, this is from the team from Sol de Janeiro that came to the office. And they just sent us some goodies over here for all of us. And people are going to be very happy.
So what do y'all think? These were just given to them by Sol de Janeiro to spread around the office, but I'm from Sol de Janeiro very soon. Some of these products in the box we haven't gotten yet from Boxy. I can see the Brazilian bod buff and also the white top. I just got that in Fab Fit Fun. That looks like the body cleanser. We'll just have to wait and see, but I think this means we'll be seeing something from Sol de Janeiro because they had that meeting, so they were planning on putting something soon. So next, I'm very excited about the next item. Let me show you Joe's clip first.
Kata?
Yes.
What are you doing?
Growing my eyelashes.
I'm going to do before and after.
Yes. Testing this out for like a month.
I'm the worst photographer. Here it is, you see? Guys, this is not a sneak peek, okay? This is just
And
brand's team getting a bunch of products, playing around. Maybe.
So if you really look close, under her computer to the left-hand side, there looks like some vitamins, but next to that green bottle to the right, there's like a product and a box. Does that look like this product? Is that the cleanser by Kylie Cosmetics? Southern Mom came up with this. I found the link and I sent it to her. I couldn't tell which product this was, and she thinks it looks like that, and I really agree with her that it really could be Kylie's. What do y'all think about this sneak peek? I'm really excited. Let me just tell you what her cleanser is. This is the Kylie Cosmetics Foaming Face Wash, which sells for $24. Right now it's still sold out. It's her luxurious foaming face wash infused with ultra nourishing kiwi seed oil packed with vitamin C and E to help maintain moisture and improve elasticity. This gentle formula cleanses skin by helping to remove dirt, oil, and makeup for a fresh, bright complexion. I know we've been due for some type of Kardashian Jenner type product because it started off with Joe going to the Kardashians' house, meeting with Kim and her mother. We had one sneak peek that showed products from the mom's line, Mominger. Then we've seen Kylie. She's in a commercial right now showing Boxy Lux. We've seen Kim doing unboxings. So it's due to get one of their products in a box. So could this be it? What do you guys think? Do you see any other cosmetics that could possibly be a sneak peek? Now I want to go through what's going to be in our July box. First we have from Butter London. It's the Goddess eyeshadow palette that sells for $32. Bring out your inner goddess and reveal your inner queen with this vibrant limited edition natural goddess eyeshadow palette from Butter London. Enchant with 6 highly pigmented, long-lasting shades ranging from mesmerizing matte, dark brown to metallic green with eye-catching shimmer, just in time for summer. It's always cruelty-free and paraben-free. Sneak peek number 2 is from the brand Elemis. It's the Superfood Vital Veggie Mask. This sells for $35. Banish the look of dullness and dryness in 10 minutes with this smoothie-inspired moisturizing mask. It is packed with nutrient-dense super greens plus radiance-boosting fruit acids for an incredibly soft and smooth complexion. A natural probiotic derived from sugar helps to maintain balance in the skin's microflora for healthier-looking skin. Now, I have a change for our third sneak peek. I had told you that it was the Wander Beauty Glow Ahead Illuminating Face Oil. It had been leaked by an Instagram influencer named Angela Marie. It is a sneak peek, but it's not for this month. Joe has confirmed that it's the wrong month. So, delete that one. But I have another sneak peek that's going to be in July. It was in one of the advertisements that Boxy has been showing on YouTube. And actually, Miss Southern Mom gave me this picture, and it's this 3-piece brush collection. This 3-piece brush collection looks to be, I'm just guessing here, but the one in the farthest back by her face looks like a shader brush to me. The one to the right to the front looks like maybe a blending brush, or you could use that one. It looks big enough maybe to apply highlighter. Now you can use brushes for whatever use you want to use them for, but I'm just saying what they look like they would say they were for, because you could blend your eyes as well as put highlighter with that brush in the front right. Now the one to the left looks like either a blush brush or some type of powder, maybe a bronzer brush. Doesn't look big enough to be a powder brush, but you could use it for powder. It looks like maybe a blush brush, but we'll have to see for sure when it's confirmed. I was told she did say it's for our July box, but I will let you know as soon as possible when this is confirmed. It could even be the one that Jade Marie was doing the collab with Luxie on. She was at the Boxycharm Studios doing that collab. This may be one of her sets. We'll just have to wait to get more information. But it looks like we will be getting a brush set in July. So that's our 3 sneak peeks for July so far. Now, what do y'all think about that product, that Kylie Cosmetics product? I've been seeing good and bad things on her line. More on other products, not so much on the cleanser. Actually, to tell you the truth, I was going to get this set but I was too late. I thought about it too late and it was already sold out. So I'm really happy to try one of these products out. I hope we do get it. Remember, our giveaway's going on, guys. Remember to comment. Make sure I'm going to give away to 2 people. One person will get the large palette and one person will get the mini. For our giveaway clue for this video, at the end of your comment, could you please put your favorite place to vacation? It could be simple as Disney, a state. Maybe you like to go to Colorado, or just put Colorado, or you could put swimming. Anything. It doesn't have to be a long thing, just one word. What is your favorite vacation? It could be doing nothing, resting, relaxing. Trying to think of different summer things to put up here. So, okay. Thank you guys very much. Please remember to share and subscribe. Make sure your notification bell is smashed. It has a new menu. Either pick, I think if you don't pick anything, it'll be occasional, but you can go and pick all notifications. Make sure to click all notifications. That way you'll get everything I put up. And if you like my video, please hit that like button. It really helps me out and I really appreciate that. And until next time, take care. And until I see you again, bye. Mwah.